used the trash can to delete photos, then later changed my mind. Can I get them back? No, they're lost forever.
Oh, yeah. Yes, if you think of it soon enough. So just let me show you where this is. This picture is something I'm shopping for a new piece of dive equipment, and I took a picture of this. Let's say I'm done shopping, I don't need this anymore, and I delete it. And I allow it to move to trash. Now I say, oh, I've changed my mind. I really do want to know what that dive equipment was. I want that picture back. Where is the trash? Photos, collections. Now, if you don't have collections, it's library. Collections and trash. And there is the photo I just trashed, and I can restore. Notice it says 59 days left until permanently deleted. So if 60 days have gone by and this photo is not in your trash anymore, you are out of luck. There's nothing you can do. Which is why I highly recommend that you should always have another backup of your photos. Google Photos backs up from your phone to the cloud. But if you delete from Google Photos, you're deleting both the phone and the cloud. You need another backup. And I have videos on that. You can just search Geeks on Tour for backup and you'll find videos on how I think that should be done. But if I restore it, now that picture is back in my photos. I restored it. I grabbed it out of the trash.